Yo, welcome boys to another video. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I lost 1.5k on the day. And let me just make this really quick. Starting on the hourly time frame, obviously I was watching these lows, and tomorrow, or what am I saying, bro, yesterday was a little bit choppy market, obviously due to the fact that Trump was speaking. So we had some tariffs news and we were like pumping up like crazy without any retraces. But you know, this move upwards was only caused by Trump speaking. So due to the fact that external forces are pushing the market upwards, I thought that we today might just fulfill the overall narrative, which is lower. So I was just like coming to the day bearish, just wanting us to see these lows getting swept. I think that would make sense, and just watching the 5 minute now just dumping lower, it just was screaming that we want to go lower to me, right? So if I'm gonna go on the 1 minute time frame and justify my entry here a little bit, first trade which you could have taken was this one right here, but I just didn't like it because this is a pattern trade short, even though like he would have gotten stopped out break even, so the trade didn't work out either way. But this wasn't a bad trade at all. But the trade which I took personally was this one. And the reason, let me just explain this, okay? So what I'm watching is like super simple, right? We're generating sell side liquidity, right? A whole lot of wicks down here. You can see like wick, right? We never take this one. We may run lower. We don't take this one. So there's like stacked lows here. And first, what do we see, right? We see all of a sudden push lower, right? Trade into this gap, this 1 minute gap. And then what do you see? Big volume coming in, right? Even if I'm gonna use the metal line, you can see the bodies are perfectly below it, right? So the wicks do the damage, but the closures still are below the CE. So at this point, I'm just watching the market and we dump all of a sudden like crazy, but I couldn't get my entry because this was a super impulsive move. So I limited my order on the CE or the equilibrium of this leg lower. And the reason why I did that was because you can see like this candle, this 1 minute candle doesn't even have a wick. So I thought, so my idea was that I'm going to limit my order and basically I'm going to try to bottom tick or top tick the move. So that way my order is filled here, obviously stop above the high. And I just want to see this, you know, fill me, do whatever, and then flip, you know, or either just compensate for this 1 minute candle and just drive lower towards these free lows. So that was the idea behind the trade. Obviously didn't work out, but yeah, I mean, I've seen so many people lose today, like they're on their A+ setup. So I guess it's just a day, honestly, just a choppy day overall. And yeah, that's about it. I got nothing else to say. I think that's the reason why it failed, just because the price is quite undecisive, and you can argue that we are quite a bit choppy. We're not doing much, but just like considering the hard time frames, I just thought that these shorts fill the narrative. Even looking at this 5 minute, like just pushing upwards and then fully flipping and closing bearish. I don't know. Seemed like it makes sense for us to just drop lower. I think this is a perfect trade. So I'm not worried that I lost on this one. I thought this is a really good trade, and I still do think this is a really good trade. It's just I was wrong, and that's part of the game, that's part of the stat, and yeah, there's nothing I can do about it. So yeah, boys, that's about it. And tomorrow I'll be on the road. I'm flying. I'm gonna be on a plane tomorrow, so I don't think I'm gonna trade tomorrow unless I make it, you know what I mean? So yeah, boys, thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. So peace out.